9 seasons have gone by. The 10th has begun. You see the crowds? They are super happy to be in front of that trophy that someone will be holding after this tournament. Today, the final endurance makes its way back to the competition. And you see the stadium in Antarctica is where we are today. We're going to find out who will win, who will lose, and who will stand triumph today. Money balls, 2 goals in the qualifiers. You can't get better than that. Trying to repeat a Seahorse and Mental, I see. Well, can they be Seahorse and Mental? Can they get 3 podiums? Let's find out. Burning Flares, Bananas, Flame Showers, Coral Reefs, Leaping Jungles, Earths, Hawaiians, Buffalo Warriors will be up first in our first heat. And more. The Leaping Jungles are in the lead. Remember, they're the ones who won the final endurance last time. But so far, it's not the same. Because they got Earths back there. And I think that was Flame Showers who survived. Earths will win the heat. Who are the... what's going on? I mean, it will be the Flame Showers. We can see it. They are dead last team. Yeah, hear me? Burning Flares. Dead last finisher. So Earths, Burning Flares, Earths, Coral Reefs, Buffalo Warriors, and Flame Showers. Moving on, over an unfortunate Flame Showers cannot win the heat again. But go with them all. Ink Poisons, Galaxies, Scorches, Cheese Balls, Fireworks, Money Balls, Frozen Fuels and Ketchups. Money Balls. Debut season. Here we go. Who prepares first? Oh! Galaxies, never do star. Oh, and here's the Money Balls in the lead. It's Scorches. Who's it? And so it'll be Cheese Balls, Fireworks, Ink Poisons, and of course, Money Balls have to win it all. Goodbye Scorches, goodbye Galaxies, goodbye Frozen Furies again, and goodbye Ketchups. And you might be thinking, why you're seeing snow right now? Well, the big hand is actually collecting the marbles, so... that's why. And you've got the marbles. Now the hand is going to be placing them in a timesheet. Okay, the hand is done. The hand is done. Leaping Jungles did get best of the West. We're here. So it's good. There they are. You can probably tell the placements. Scorches and Bananas, another barrel sold for them. Now we've got Buffalo Warriors, Ink Poisons, Money Balls. Those are the top 3 and they're in the top 8. Herbs, Cheese Balls, Fireworks, Coral Reefs and Flame Showers. Flame Showers, Herbs are basically the only ones that are not in the top 8. And Cheese Balls. They were the ones who led the way. I can't wait. Now, Money Balls is dark. So that's 8th place for them. Who got the gold? Who's gonna do it? Oh, this is a top one. And I'll be the Coral Reefs. The Coral Reefs have done it. Our podium is set. We're here. We have figured it out. There you are! Coral Reefs will get the gold, Flame Showers the silver, and the Fireworks the bronze! Oh, Money Balls! They mucked up. And that's the final endurance. We're again back on the balance board for a team pursuit. We'll see you for that. Let's see who will qualify for season 10 of the Last Moments Daily Games here in Antarctica.